What's up, bitches? So for today's look, I'm doing this look right here. I don't even know what it's called, but it's like a Valentine's Day kind of whatever. I really don't know what it's called, but I really like it, and I hope you guys like it too. So if you want to stay for the gag, then be my guest. So now I'm going to go in, I already did my brows off camera. I used the Anastasia Bear Hills Dip Brow and use my Tarte Shape Tape, but now we're going to go in with the Morphe 39A Digitally 8 palette. I'm going to take this. Oh god, look at that palette, it's so good. Anyway, I'm going to take this first transition shade on my Morphe 518 brush and also the warmer kind of shade, and I'm going to put that hoe into my crease and blend it out to perfection. Now I'm going to take Flamingo from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm blending that in with a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm blending it into my crease. And I'm going in with a 514 brush from Morphe and I'm taking whatever shade this is and I'm blending it into my crease as well because we want our things to look good. Do you feel me? Because it's a more pinky look. And I'm going in with two shades to the left of that shade. It's like a darker, more plum shade. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe M433 as well. And I'm going to blend that into the crease and blend out with a 514 brush. Now I'm cutting out my crease with some concealer. And then for the shade on top, it's going to be Marshmallow from the Sugar Glow Kit. Yes, bitch, look at that. It's so pretty. Like, come on. And now I'm going to go take the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner and Trooper, and I'm going to do a wing. So then I put on House of Lashes Iconics, and now I'm going to do the other eye right now. And so now it's going to the face. I'm using the Touch and Soul Primer in No Problem. Really just cleans out the pores. Like, pores? Wait, what are those? I've never heard of them. And now I'm going to go with my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation in O2 Natural. Probably my favorite thing out there. I love it so much. It's probably the best foundation. Everyone should try it, like, for sure. It's like, girl, like, look at that. Look at my face. I look good. I'm going to go with Tarte Shape Tape Light Sand, and I am going to conceal, and then I'm setting that stuff with the Airspun Powder and Translucent. I'm going in with my Morphe R7 brush and my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze up the skin and snatch the nose. And now I'm going in with Milani Luminoso Blush, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and just blush up her face in the Ofra Cosmetics. Did I have Rodeo Drive? I think that's Rodeo Drive. And then I'm also going to take, oh, girl, this highlight is so good. But anyway, I'm going to take Butterscotch from the Sugar Glow Kit as well. And I'm going to take a little bit of that on my cheeks to make that bitch blinding. Now I'm going to take white eyeliner from ColourPop. I don't know what it's called, but I'll leave it down below. And then I'm going to take a little bit of, I think, Royalty and Saffron. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm outlining my lip with another ColourPop lip pencil. And then I really forgot. I'm gonna list all this stuff down below for the first time ever. And now I'm just gonna go with Strip by Anastasia, probably my favorite liquid lipstick. And this is the final look. Yes, bitch, look how good I look. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Check out my last few videos. I know you'll enjoy them. I love this stuff is so fun. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has supported me and been through this journey. And y'all bad bitches. So love you. Peace out in class.